Okay, so we've located the roots we have here, as well as that cast iron section at the 85-foot mark, which we believe is actually where we keep having our majority of the buildup we have to snake to, and then the sag right after these roots that we went into with this water here. So we've marked everything on the ground and located it, how deep it is. We're now going to just continue to pull back on the line, see if there's any other issues. Otherwise, we'll bring our equipment over to those areas and show where they're marked on the ground so you can actually see them. Okay, we're coming to the clean out here that we entered in from, and here we're coming now up the vertical. Actually got some paper, somebody just flushed some stuff behind here while we were in the system. We're now coming back out of the parking lot here, and here you can see we're at the property, and this is the clean out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and walk this equipment over to the ground so we can pan and show you where those issues are. Okay, so we're coming down the driveway here, and so here you can see where we have our roots with the circle and the X at 44 inches deep, and right after that with the blocks that we have marked off there with the dotted lines, that's the section that's underwater, what we call a sag or a belly. And then we'll walk to the last section just so you can see here. So here where we have these green dots and it's marked at 5 feet, 60 inches deep, this is where the ABS ends and the cast iron starts, and then we go down to the edge of the driveway, and that's where we have our 65-inch depth, and that's where the cast iron ends. So between these two dots are where the cast iron section is left, and then it turns to clay and then out to the street. So that concludes this recording.